going to teach you 5 tips to improve your handwriting and write neatly and fast. So let's start. Tip number 1. You should use a gel pen, mostly a gel pen, but you can use a ball pen, but it should be with good ink flow like a gel pen. Not the 5 rupees one or 10 rupees one, the ball pen, but a good ball pen with good flow. Or you can use a gel pen. You can use this type of pen, or you can use a Trimax or a 5 rupees gel pen. I would suggest a Uniball, which is very good in flow. So I guess you all should go with this pen. Tip number 2. You should always keep your hands on the copy on which you are writing. Like this. Hi, so let's move to the desk. So, tip number 3. This is a pen. Most of the people have the habit of putting the cap on the pen and then write. No, we shouldn't do this. We should take out the cap, keep it aside, and then write, because it reduces your speed and it makes the pen heavy. So you should not do like this. Tip number 4. The most important tip of how to hold the pen which you use. This is the pen. Some people will write like this, some people will write like this, and some people will write like this. I've seen many people do that. No. See, you have to do it like this. 1, 2 and 3 triangles here. And after you have done this, you have to take the pen and put it in the between like this. So you have to put the pen inside the triangle and make the triangle small, 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 small and small. Like this. Can you see it? Yes. So this is the way to hold the pen so that the writing is neat. Tip number 5. The last tip is that almost 60 to 70% of the world population, the people make some letters in a very bad way, and they are totally wrong. So I'm going to teach you that. So let's move to the whiteboard now. Some of the alphabets in which people make mistaken are. It is written as something like this, which is correct, but some people write it like this, which is wrong. Next letter we have is Z. It is written as, but this is correct, but people write it as, which is wrong. Next we have the letter T. Here people write this is the correct way of writing T, but this is the wrong way of writing T. And the last one is F. It is written as, which is correct, and the letter F, some people write it as this, which is wrong. So basically in T and F it is interchanged. Okay, so these are some of the letters which I think people make a mistake of. And now let's move back to the desk. Okay, so these were the 5 tips from my side, and I hope you like them, and I hope you will practice it daily, and then you'll get a better handwriting. And so please support my channel and like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe and share turn the notifications on. Till then, bye.